Hello, LUA fourth grade families. It's Miss Colombo, and I just wanted to greet you and share this video with you for our Google Classroom so you understand how to access it. So basically, what you're going to use is your child's LUA email and password, which I will be sending to you. And then you go to classroom.google.com, and there you will be able to access it. You can also access PE and STEAM in that way, but I will also send that link so you have it as well for Monday. So when you go in to our classroom, this is where everything happens. It's virtually like stepping into our classroom. And you're focused on the classwork tab. That's the only one you need to worry about, or your child needs to worry about. And once you go in, you can see everything is here. So some information and help for you, and it just goes down. So ways to contact me, how to talk to me, how to communicate, our daily schedules here, and that when you click in to each section, there's the link or the doc or whatever is there. Or sometimes I'm just describing it to you, the information. All right. So login, our daily information that your child will need. So every day we'll start with a morning question and then our work. And that will be really clear. I'll have it dated and then the expectations of that day. So you'll know. So I really just want you to look through before Monday so you're familiar, kind of understanding where to go. And this is all Summit Learning, which is our curriculum for fourth grade. And I will be spending a lot of time with you and your child to understand how to use Summit. And but in the meantime, what you can do is look at this information. There's an introduction just to get an idea. Okay. But that's it. And this goes into all the things we'll be doing. Some things we aren't starting right away. Some things will be more intermittent throughout the year, but they're all here. So the one thing I want to say to you is first of all, how excited I am to be your child's teacher this year. I have this great feeling about adversity and what we can do when that comes upon us. And I just feel like great things will happen because of our situation that we're all in. And secondly, communication. So whenever you are wondering something or unclear, please don't hesitate to contact me. So with that, thank you, and I cannot wait to see your child on Monday. Bye-bye.